In this video, right, I'm going to show you the organization, how you're going to apply to them, the course, the profession in question. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Juma Idris and you are welcome to the channel of opportunity. When you want something, you go the extra length, to put in the work to tailor your CV properly. Let it suit with the purpose of what you are applying for. Don't just put out anything out there. When you are serious about something and you tailor it and you put it there, they will feel like, oh, this person is actually serious and this is a good catch. With this organization, when you apply, you send them all your credentials and all your information. They will be the one to contact you. They will contact you and tell you, okay, this is how we're going to do it. This is what we do first and this is what we do last. So this is how it is. Once they contact you, you'll be able to discuss. They'll be able to tell you what needs to be done, how you are going to apply to them, how you are going to upload your CV and everything. You have to stick around. If you've gotten to this point in the video, make sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, the family grows, right? You like, the video will be able to go viral and more people will be able to see this interesting opportunity that I bring to you. Comment in the comment section, please. Engage me. Put a comment there. I'll make sure I respond to your comment. Share the video. It is free. I'm bringing this information for you for free. Why don't you just share? Don't keep it to yourself. Share. There's love in sharing, right? So that is it, guys. So just make sure you share the video and let's go right. Before I say too much, let us just go right into the video. Make sure you watch to the end. And for the link of the organization, I'm going to put it up on the screen because so many people, when I say go to the description box, they will say they cannot find the link. So I've decided that now I'll be putting the link on the description on the screen. I'll write it on the screen, but the thing is, I'm not putting it along all through, so you have to watch the video to the end to see at the point where I'm going to put the link. So I'll put the link on the screen. You'll be able to go to the website and apply yourself, but make sure you watch the video to the end. Have you ever dreamed of a US nursing career? Look no further than MedPro International program, which prepares foreign educated registered nurse for work and life in the US. So MedPro leads all activity necessary for foreign educated registered nurse to qualify for and work in the US. That includes green card sponsorship for family members as well, education and training to pass licensure and English exams, state licensure, credentialing, and US assimilation. We'll work with you to understand your capabilities and personal preferences to secure a fitting assignment at one of our client sites across the US. So they have a lot of clients in the sense that organizations, hospitals, clinics, and they have them at hand that request for staffs. So it is easier that way for them to provide them staffs, and you won't have to apply directly to those hospitals, organizations, or clinic. So they will do everything for you, and you will receive a premium hourly wage, periodic pay rise. You will also receive a comprehensive benefit package including pay time off, medical insurance. So guys, don't be scared of this organization. They are actually a certified organization. So it's not like the American Society of International Healthcare Recruitment. They are certified. Before deploying to your assignment location, all the international registered nurses are flown from your home country to our corporate office to attend orientation. The office is located in Sunrise, Florida, between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. During orientation, you get to meet all the international US team members you worked with overseas, and they will provide modern housing and daily transportation to and from the office and anywhere else you're required to go. To apply as a registered nurse, so it says please provide your full legal name as it appears on your legal documents, such as international passport. And remember guys, as a registered nurse, of course you should know that if you want to practice in any country, you need to write their professional exam. So first, a middle name if applicable together, last name, preferred contact mode, is it through email, phone, Viber, WhatsApp, Skype, and WeChat. your email address, you provide it in this column, your phone number. Do you have a WhatsApp number? Yes or no. Country where you are working currently, you indicate it there. Country where you were born, you say there. So you could be living in another country from where you were born. Are you currently working as a nurse? Yes or no. Specialist. So as a nurse, they have a lot of specialists. The antepartum, bone marrow transplant, case manager, cath lab nurse, that's diagnostic, cath lab nurse, interventional, coronary intensive care, critical care, CVICU, circulate, CVOR scrub, CVPCU, dialysis, acute, dialysis, chronic, emergency room trauma, endoscopy, first assist, home health, hospice, ICU, intermediate care, telemetry, labor and delivery, licensed clinical social workers, LPM, long-term acute care, master of social work, medical surgical, MICU, mother baby, neuro ICU, neuro intensive care, new grad, neonatal intensive care, oncology infusion, operating room circulate, operating room scrub, PSCU recovery room, PCU pediatric oncology, PIT emergency room, PICU postpartum, pediatric psychiatric nursing, SICU special procedure, step down transitional care, transplant, and other unknown nursing specialists. Have you passed the NCLEX exam? Yes or no? So they are asking so they would know where they are going to start with you. If it's a yes, that is a good one. It's a plus for you because you don't need to, and they don't need to start going through the NCLEX route with you, and you already have your exam at hand. So as a nurse, I believe you should know that anywhere you want to practice, you research about their professional course and you do work on it. Highest level of education completed, bachelor's degree, master's degree, or diploma. Year of university graduation, years of experience, you put it there. How did you hear about us? You just indicate your resume. As I always say, tailor your resume well, present yourself. Your resume is like something that is speaking for you in your absence. So your resume will represent you well. Tailor it according to the standard of US or the country you're interested in, and your unofficial transcript. Then you click on submit, and that is it, guys, for nursing registered nurse that are interested in moving to United States of America. So when you contact this organization, you are good to go. This is how to apply. They'll get in touch with you and you are good to go. I hope this has helped one or two ways. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment in the comment section, share, and hit the notification bell so you get informed anytime I upload videos. Please do not forget to like so that the YouTube can recommend this video to a lot of people and share. I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck. Hi lovelies, now that you've gotten to the end of this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. It is totally free. Thank you guys so much. Bye.